So, Mr. Mullins can't do nothing? Like, give him a chance?
You can give him a chance, yes. But the agency have a lockdown because of that. Which one you choose?
Well, it have to be the agency first.
This is another perfect example of why you can't make your emotions overpower you. What King do was personal. It make him emotions get the best sign. See what happened to him now?
He's in a situation now where not only affect him, but the agency.
So how Miss Jenna take this?
She reach out to me. I'ma tell her some soon come check her. I explain everything to her.
Boss, never concern. What happened to when the youth them find out say can't get locked up? And I think things are gonna get out of hand. There will be no order anymore.
I understand your concern, Whisper. That is why we are going to reach out before they hear. And make them understand, say, for every action, there's consequences. Remember, say nobody don't rate King like how we rate him, you know. Just for what I do for the community.
I understand. Him take that one here too far.
Honestly, me personally would want to ask Mr. Mullins if he can't give him a chance.
You can't ask in a whisper. Nothing beat a trial but a failure. But you see when I'm up against with the board, it is going to be a hard task. But you still can try. None of we don't want to see King get locked up.
On another note, Quick and Prinny are go through hell right now since him come out of the hospital.
What going with them?
Boy, she say Quick behave extremely difficult. Him not only complain, but him a blame her for everything what happened to him.
I did see it come. And I did tell her to expect all of the emotional traumas we ma go through. But I think she need help. She either need to get a nurse and a therapist, you know, for help her move him around. Especially in a fear condition, she need help.
I know this at the wrong time for she go through all of this. Because everything will happen, she will get emotional over it.
I mean, it start already. I tell her say me go check around and see if I can find nobody for help her.
I go make a check too. But I think we need the whole away. Need for us to go down there and look for the two of them.
Boy, I don't know if I want to go down there, you know. Because I don't want a man rising rifle off of me, you know.
Wait, you want Quick or something?
No, but them emotions where I go through, you don't know what can go on. You might just want to take down somebody.
She tell you when I'm supposed to do the surgery?
3 weeks to a month, she say.
We need to hurry up and get somebody for her. Because if she go through all of this for another month, she might lose that baby there.
And maybe that's it, I'm mash up with two of them.
Mr. Mullins.
Yeah.
So, are you alone in one? Oh, I forgot to say me on indefinite leave. Just remember. So, what ever happened to Carlton? Am I gonna just let go so?
That's a way I'm worried about. I feel like Mr. Mullins will go off the reservation.
What you mean?
It means and just reach elimination.
Oh. Okay.
I need to find out once and for all, no guessing, if Carlton Wallace is in any way connected to the mayhem that's been going on over Spanish Town. And if he is, or worse, in collusion with Tony on it, I may have to remove the problem once and for all.
So, you didn't get any solid information from Celine when she was around Carlton?
There's two problems there. One, she went in too deep and couldn't find herself getting us the information we needed because of how deep she was in. And two, King will get involved, which put a spoke in everybody's wheel. So we're back to square one. That's where you come in.
What exactly you want me to do, sir?
First thing you have to understand is that you report only to me, no one else. You're going to become a spotter. Not only for Carlton, but for Tony.
This means the work might have to get wet.
Oh yes. But you have nothing to do with that part of it, outside of spotting for the sniper.
But sir, remember I am sniper trained as well.
Why, I know that. But let me explain to you what happens when a sniper goes into action and does so successfully. They go off the grid for quite some time. So explain this to me. Who will explain to your daughter where you are and why she can't see you?
I understand, sir.
The first thing we're going to do is move you to a new spot. But that spot is going to become like a vacant place. When you're not there, people must figure that the place is empty, that's your hideaway. If anything goes wrong and you need to fall back, that's the point you'll fall back to. But you still maintain your other residence. The new space is for you and you alone.
What are we trying to achieve?
We're going to make certain that what's been happening in Spanish Town stops and never happens again. We're to find out exactly who's responsible. And if Carlton is involved, well, the chips fall where they may. But what we're certain of, if he's not, he must realize that he's going to be grateful to us for the rest of his days.
Sir, I read the dossier on Carlton Wallace, and I don't see gun trafficking as what he would do.
Actually, neither did I know. But you know, I never saw him as a murderer either. That happened. So, we're not leaving any bases not covered, no stone unturned. We're going to find exactly what is what and who is where.
Sir, every day you live, you learn. Just like how we never say Carlton doing murdering, same thing we wouldn't expect, say King would have get involved in a kidnapping.
I don't think even King saw himself as a kidnapper. think it was a means to an end to make a point to Carlton.